Hello guys, this is Gaming with Toyota Camry here, and today we are back with another car crash video, and this time we are on West Coast. So we're doing maybe a road accident on a hill. I got my Herbie's Food quality food truck, and we're gonna deliver it down to the shore area. They said they were running out of food, so let's go deliver it to them. By the way, I'm gonna get into my RP mode real quick.
Leaving green.
Man, I gotta deliver all this food today. I hope there isn't enough traffic. I really need to look down at my phone. I think my boss just sent me a text message about I have to be early. Alright, let me just check on my phone here. Yep, boss, I'm already on the way. I'm already, oh my goodness, that's cars! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What just happened? I don't even know what just happened right now. Oh my goodness. Is anyone okay? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to run into you. Some bus drivers survived with minor injuries. The driver wasn't in his car at the time of the accident. Grandma vehicle driver and passengers survived with serious injuries. Bastion driver was lucky he didn't get hit by cars. ETK I-Series driver died instantly. ETK L-Series driver survived with minor injuries. Wakefield driver survived with serious injuries. Limo passengers and drivers died. Jeep driver died instantly on impact. Moving driver is lucky to be alive. This driver too. Roamer driver is also lucky to be alive. Semi-truck driver had little to no injuries. This car driver, he was lucky he didn't get hit by vehicle debris. This driver was incredibly lucky to be alive. Tesla driver has serious injuries. Taxi driver survived with little to no injuries. City bus driver was lucky he didn't get hit by debris. All passengers on the bus were fine. Police car driver called for backup and helped the injured. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this second car crash video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We'll see you in the next one on Beamng Drive or on Low Blocks, alright? Bye everyone. Bye y'all.